I spend a fair bit of time these days visiting residential homes, sometimes with young children. The old people love to meet the youngsters. And I often see at residential homes a gift of a mini rose, something like this. It's difficult to decide what to give somebody who's being cared for. And these recently introduced aroma roses have quite strong fragrance, and they make a really good gift. Just one plant will actually scent a room. They're quite amazing. But they do come in quite a small pot and in very warm, dry homes. They dry out very quickly, and too often I see things like this with at least 2 of the 4 cuttings having dried right out and died. And there are several things that we can do. Quite honestly, if you're taking one of these really lovely roses, I think it's worth potting it on into a size larger pot first. It's the system that I demonstrated several times before. You get the empty pot and you repot it into a 2 sizes larger pot, and when you take that one out you have the perfect size hole to repot the other plant. And you just take this one out. It's 4 really nice cuttings there, and I take that out of the pot. There's all the root, nice and white, and it goes immediately straight into that perfect shape hole, and given a good watering, that is going to survive indoors much longer than the small pot would do. But then we're left with this. Now once they've finished flowering, good gardeners of course won't like to throw the thing away, and you can leave it in the bigger pot and let it grow on to flower again, or if like me you're a bit mean, you can just carefully split them apart. I'll drop those 2 dead ones, and here we've got 2 good roses that can be potted up singly, and you'll have 4 for the price of 1.